Imagine this. It's year 2049. The world as we knew it is gone. Cities are ruins, the skies are dark, and survival is the only currency. Food is scarce, water is gold, and sometimes you need fire. Not just for cooking, but for keeping danger away. Today, I'll show you how survivors like us can turn an ordinary spray can into a mini flamethrower. A simple tool that can light fires, scare off wild creatures, and keep your camp safe when the apocalypse doesn't forgive mistakes. Step 1. Tools and materials. First, let's talk about what you need. And don't worry, these are scraps you'll easily find while scavenging through abandoned stores or garages. 1 pressurized spray can, hairspray, deodorant, or even paint. A lighter or a matchstick sparker. And for extra grip, some cloth or tape. That's it. 3 things that most survivors will have lying around. Step 2, safety first. Before we build this, remember, this isn't a toy. Fire is dangerous, and in the apocalypse, you can't afford burns or accidents. Always point away from yourself, and never use this indoors unless you want to burn down your shelter. Step 3, building the device. Take your spray can, hold it firmly in your hand, nozzle facing away. Now, attach your lighter right under the nozzle using cloth strips or tape. The lighter should be close enough so when you press the nozzle, the spray passes directly over the flame. Simple, but effective. Test it by holding the lighter on, then pressing the can. Instantly, a burst of fire shoots forward, a pocket flamethrower born out of scraps. Step 4. Apocalypse uses. Now here's the fun part. How do you use it? In survival, fire is everything. This little invention can help you. Light a fire in seconds, even if the wood is damp. Scare off mutated animals or raiders trying to sneak up on your camp. Signal other survivors at night with bursts of flame. It's not a weapon of mass destruction, but in the right hands, it's power. And power means survival. So there you have it. Your very own apocalypse-ready mini flamethrower. Built with nothing but scraps, fire, and a little desperation. In a world that's falling apart, the smallest spark can mean the difference between life and death. Stay alive, stay prepared, and remember, in the apocalypse, even junk can save your life.